Caution, being a Marine in Khe Sanh may be hazardous to your health.
Well, here we are at the War Museum at Khe Sanh. So this was the site of the US base, one of the US bases in Vietnam. You can almost picture the troops running around here, guns firing, all sorts of action happening in the Vietnam War in the 60s, all through this area. Such a peaceful area now, it's hard to believe it was war-torn. Yeah, so after the war, all of the locals pilfered everything that was left here. There's lots of raw materials left over and valuables, so they came in and took everything, all the metals, recycled everything, tried to make a little money. Later on they decided that they could make money off a museum. They realised that there was some interest in the Vietnam-American War, so they thought they'd make a museum here, and they recreated all these bunkers and everything. Yeah, they're not originals. Oh! Oh, cool. It's like a maze. Oh yeah, how cool is this? Sort of walk along from shooting spot to shooting spot. Come up here and put your gun out there. Pew, 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 pew. So the Vietnamese had this American base completely surrounded for 170 days and nights. 170 days and nights the battle went on. The Americans were completely surrounded, and in the end they surrendered the base here to the Vietnamese. This is pretty cool. If I was a kid I'd love running around in here, but as an adult in a battle, not so much fun. Wow, it just goes on and on and on. I'm lost. I don't know if I can get out this way at all. No. Hey. The last plane out of Sydney's almost gone. Is that this one? Probably not.
He's too ugly, run away, run away!
Armed Forces heroes, they're just kids. Results of Khe Sanh Liberation Campaign in 1968. After 170 days of nights of fighting, we had decimated and captured 11,900 enemy soldiers. That's crazy. Destroyed 78 military vehicles, shot down and destroyed 197 airplanes of various types, destroyed 80 ships, completely liberated around 10,000 residents. Bit of shrapnel, eh? Bits and pieces of exploded bombs or something. This place is the bomb! Crazy place. Crazy to be here at Khe Sanh in Vietnam. Pretty bizarre to be here in a place that I've heard so much about. Heard songs sung about. I have to say that as far as museums go, this one's not very good. But if you're in the area passing through Khe Sanh, it's probably worth a little bit of a visit. Oh, have a goat, will ya? No one around anywhere, just goats. What have I seen on the road today? I've seen thongs, sandals, chickens, goats, pigs, dogs, roosters, children, adults, scooters. Oh, did I mention cattle? Lots of cattle. This is awesome. Look at the hills. The hills are alive. The sound of motorcycles.